I'm Michelle Moss, and welcome to IP Poolside Chats. Why? Because I'm in Orlando, and IP is better when it's poolside. In today's IP Poolside Chat, we're going to be discussing copyright and some things that it doesn't protect. By way of review, copyright is a form of protection granted by law that for original works of authorship that are fixed in a tangible medium of expression. And what does that mean? It simply means that the work has to be fixed, has to be written down or recorded, either video or audio in some fashion. So copyright protection applies to literary, dramatic, artistic, and musical works. So things like books, writings, poetry, photographs, paintings, sculptures, even computer code, architectural plans and drawings, and of course music and movies are all protected by copyright. But there are some things that are not protected by copyright. First, you should always make sure that whenever you're using something, either a photograph or a quote or a line from someone, that you give proper attribution, because you don't want to mislead those who are looking at your work as to where something came from. That's the first thing. There is a concept called fair use, which we would probably need 5 other videos to cover, that also governs when you can use something. But there are certain things that just don't have any copyright protection. And one of those is facts and ideas. Facts and ideas cannot be copyrighted, so you're free to use facts and ideas from any source. And that means if you read about something in a newspaper article or in a blog, and it's someone discussing, a date that an event occurred, what someone was charged with, who was killed, what happened, those are facts, and facts are not copyrightable, so you can feel free to use those. Also, any government-produced reports or documents do not have copyright protection. So government statutes, reports from the government, also legal decisions are free to use items from those sources without worrying about copyright. Also, you can take short quotes from things. That's okay. You don't want to quote an entire chapter or use an entire chapter, but if you're just quoting a sentence or maybe a few lines or two to make a point, that's usually going to be okay if you show that you use quotes and you provide proper attribution. So, thanks for joining me for today's IP Poolside Chat. And remember, IP is better when it's poolside.